I figured I would pause the cleaning session for a second and just kind of check in. I think today's video is going to kind of be like a day in the life. Starting early this Saturday morning. I haven't done one of these in a while, and honestly, this past week, my family has had the stomach bug. Not all of us, but 3 out of the 7 of us. And ignore that beeping. We have a smoke detector that's warning us that we need to change it. But this is the first day that I have not felt like death since Tuesday night. So Tuesday night was terrible. Grant, me and McKinley went to Kinley's cheer practice, and Grant ended up throwing up while I was helping McKinley tie her shoes inside the cheer place. And there were like a million people around, and not one single person offered to help me. It was super annoying. But he threw up twice. And I had to like clean it up with baby wipes, and then finally I got a mom to like help like guard the area so I could go find Clorox wipes. I had to change his clothes, and we sat in the car until she was finished, and then I ended up getting sick that night, and it's just been downhill from there. So this is like the first day that I have felt alive. Yesterday I felt better, but I was still super weak. But this house has gone to crap. My poor husband like stepped up. He took a day off work. He helped so much. He's kept the house as clean as he can, but when Mama's not around, it just goes to crap. So this morning, I think I'm just gonna kind of do like some clean sweeps. I'm gonna make the kids help today. There's no way. I thought that this would be a great clean with me, that I could just like tackle the whole house, but I don't have the energy for right now, recovering from the stomach virus. So it's gonna be more of like a day in the life. Downstairs to do like a clean sweep. I talked to them at breakfast, and I said, you know, Mommy's been sick this whole week. This house is destroyed. So we can have a fun weekend. I need you guys to help. So they are tackling the basement, their bedrooms, and the basement bathroom. I told them if they could get that done, that would really help me. Because like I said, even though it would have made an amazing cleaning video, I just don't have the energy right now to tackle this whole house by myself. Today's like the first day I'm feeling alive. So I'm trying to get this laundry folded. I was able to kind of stay on top of laundry, and by stay on top of it, I mean do it, but I didn't put any of it away. So I have tons to put away. That's not all gonna be shown in this video today, but that's just what we're doing this morning. We're just kind of doing like a clean sweep of the house, and then Caleb has a basketball game today, and Nick is actually going to start building my dining room table today. I'm letting him sleep in this morning because he's been a trooper this week. He's been up with the kids. He has been up early with them. He's gotten lunches ready. He's done all the mom and dad things, plus worked full time. So he's sleeping in right now, but he said he's gonna start the table today because we are hosting a Halloween party next week, and I really need the table for it. So I'm super excited about that. I'm super excited to be able to have like a big formal dining table where we can host more people and decorate it for Christmas. I'm totally gonna start decorating for Christmas like the first week of November, and I don't even feel bad about it. I'm super excited. I am actually only going to pull out my Halloween decorations, I think, for like the week of Halloween, and then just be done with it. I was going to decorate my like front porch area for fall, but I think I'm not going to. I think I'm just gonna skip straight to Christmas and be like those people on the block. So it is what it is. But this morning's really just a bunch of like tackling the household chores. So I'm gonna finish all of that up, and then I will check in with you guys in a little bit. Kids got the basement cleaned up for me. Looks much better than it did. Good job, guys. What are you doing, Davis? Getting the helicopter. Be careful, don't fall. We've been spending a lot of our days like this. He's just been super snuggly. It hit him hard, probably the hardest. So he was playing, but then he just came over here and curled up. So I think he's still recovering. All this really quick. My kids have been cleaning, and my 5-year-old cleaned the front room, and let me show you what he did. He brought the pillow from the mantle, or from the fireplace, and put it right there. And then he like made beds on the couches. I mean, how cute is he? So I'm sitting at the top of the stairs with my laundry hamper. I sent Nick up with one, and I sent him up with the light one. And then I was too stubborn to ask for help again, so I went ahead and brought up the big laundry hamper, and I made it to the top of the stairs, and I had to sit down because my body is still so freaking weak from this stomach bug. I feel like I'm pregnant. I'm not pregnant. It's the stomach bug, but it's that weakness that you get when you're pregnant. Like I can barely make it up the stairs without getting like winded and having to lay down because I get dizzy. Officially starting on the table. That wood's been taking up residence in our garage for a while, so it'll be nice to put it to use.
Finally.
So I'm actually dressed for the day, which is a miracle after being sick. But Caleb has a game. I'm gonna run to the dollar store really quick and look for some stuff to decorate our trunk for the kids' trunk or treat. Then I'm gonna come back here and get Caleb and take him to his game. I just got out of Dollar Tree. Luckily, I was able to still find like spider web. So basically, we are going to do like a spider themed trunk, which is hilarious because I hate spiders. But I figured it would be like the easiest, cheapest way to just decorate this trunk for trunk or treat this week. But I wanted to show you, I'm not gonna do a full Dollar Tree haul because basically I got spider webs, I got toilet bowl brushes and toothbrushes, and then that's about it. But I did find 2 pairs of sunglasses, and I know a lot of people knock on Dollar Tree sunglasses. They work just fine for me. These are from Dollar Tree. I like them, but I got some cute ones I want to show you. So I got these little aviators, and I like how it has the part up across the top. I like the shape, and then I feel like they look a little bit more high end just with the detailing on like the earpiece. And then I got this pair. So this is more like a rose gold, just plain. It does have a touch of leopard on the back, but I really liked them. I'm gonna show you. Let me know if you like them on me or not. Okay, so here's the first pair. I thought those were super cute. And then here's the second pair. I normally don't like aviators a lot because I like to put my sunglasses in my hair, and with the nose piece on like aviator style sunglasses, you can't really do that, but these are like funky and different. Totally out of my element, totally out of my norm, but I really liked them. Am I crazy? Let me know in the comments below if you like them as well. So it's the next day. I kind of sucked at keeping up with you guys yesterday, but I ended up just going over to a friend's house after Caleb's basketball game, and now we are at a pumpkin patch. And Nick and I brought not only our 5 to the pumpkin patch, but we also brought 3 other kids with us. We came later in the evening, so it wasn't super crowded, but we're kind of like tag teaming between the big kids and the little kids right now. The little ones are over there playing in like a corn like feed box where they can scoop and do all that stuff. And all, how many is that? 6 of the older ones are getting ready to play laser tag. They're over here waiting in line by doing this crop duster racing. All right, Ryder, start your engine, go.
No, you're not the one for me.
Where do you want to go? We're going to go back over there in a minute. Daddy, we survived.
Yeah, I know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're back from the pumpkin patch now. We survived. This vlog's been kind of like all over the place. I feel like anytime I try to do a day in the life, it always is. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. So thanks for watching. Please give this a thumbs up if you liked it or if you think he's funny. And I'll see you in the next video.